jar full of a variety of treats. A chihuahua and a kitten. So she's smart enough to go in there. Where's your treats? Where's your treats, Ozzy? Where are they? Do you want me to help you? There you go. So screw you, those are mine. I'm gonna get one. You gonna get a treat? Get a treat. It's okay. You can get it. Okay. Okay. Get the treats. It's okay. Okay. Alright. Can you sneeze? Sneeze. Good boy. Shake. You gonna bring me your paw? Shake. Come here. Come here. Come here. It's okay. I know I trained you not to go close to it, but I didn't train you to stop whining. Alright, maybe spin. Can you spin? Spin. 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 Come on, you can do it. Spin. I don't have anything. I'm just telling you to spin. 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 You just don't get it, do you? No? Okay, look. Spin. Good boy. Do it again. Spin. Good. Yeah, you're dancing now. And shake. Shake. Your paw. Shake. Thank you. Other paw. Thank you. Sit. 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 On your bum. I know that's the hardest one for you. Good boy. Okay. Alright, yeah. Do you want a treat? It's okay. You can get it. Oh. Get the treat. It's okay. Go get it. Go get it. She's eating your treats. She's eating your treats, Ozzy. See, she just showed you how to do it. Oh, you made her do the work and you stole it. You gonna get another one, kitty? Yeah, I know you look pretty angry. Yes, that's right. You give her a kiss and say thank you.